and we all are so excited that you could be here with us today. And I hope I'm audible to everyone and I'm visible to everyone. So we're just going to wait for another 2 minutes or so for the rest of the participants to join in. Um, Meanwhile, I'd like to tell you something about the gallery store. The gallery store is actually a store which is there in Kolkata Center for Creativity in Calcutta. I know you all are joining us from different parts of the city, and the Kolkata Center for Creativity is a multidisciplinary center, art center for performing arts. And as a part of the center, we have a gallery store which has all the products from artisans and a lot of different curated products that you can find. And we also have a modern Indian restaurant called the Grace. So if you're in Calcutta and once everything is safe and all the lockdown, everything is over, please go and visit the center. It's beautiful, it's nice, and we have a whole lot of other programs and Zoom meetings that we're going to do on different other platforms and on different other topics. So with this, I'd like to start our poetry open mic. Just a little ground rules. We probably two pieces per person you can recite, and I'm just going to call out the names. You unmute, and you introduce yourselves and recite your pieces. Tell us something about yourself, and and there is no limit in terms of which language or how you need to recite. If you're comfortable, please read out from your books and your mobile phones. So, is everybody excited for this? Yeah, I hope
Yes, very
everyone is
much.
very, very excited, and I'm very happy that all of you are here to share your pieces. Trust me, it's not very easy, to come like this and be on a virtual stage and recite your poetry, but this is what Kolkata Center for Creativity stands for. We're here to have a collaborative endeavor together so that we can promote art and literature and culture. And thanks to Zoom, we are now expanding to different parts of the cities and we're connecting with so many people. So, if you like someone's poetry and you love a few lines and you can't, interrupt that person in between, I have this small exercise for all of you. If you like something that somebody has said, then you just snap your fingers. So that will show the participant that people are loving what you're saying and they love the lines and they can, resonate with your piece. Um, so with this, let's start with our first performer, who is Komal. Yeah, Komal Sharma. Hi, Komal.
Hi, Sonali. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you, Komal?
I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I can't
Okay,
believe I'm
great.
the first person.
That's okay. I mean, everybody is here to cheer, and everybody is here.
Okay.
So do
Yeah,
tell us
I'm
something
sure.
yourself, where you're from, and then just the floor is yours, and then you can recite your piece.
Sure. So I'm from Gurgaon actually, and I'm working here into marketing.
Oh,
And
great.
I know you through somebody like an acquaintance, so that's how I got to know about.
Yeah.
I think open mic was one of my COVID bucket list because I've never done this before. Never.
Oh, great. So, are you a first time performer?
I am so nervous. I can't tell you.
So,
But
okay. Now, don't be nervous. Be very relaxed. We all are here to support each other, to support what we want to do. We want to follow our passion. So, don't be nervous. And it's great that you're a first time performer. And I'm sure this is going to be a very good experience for you.
well, I hope so. I hope I
Yeah.
just. So because I'm very new to open mic and I've not never ever written, thinking of that. The two pieces that I have today are very. I'm a very stream of consciousness kind of writer. I experience
Okay.
something and I immediately write it down. I never go back or kind of edit and correct them. They're just
Right.
written in the spur of the moment. And I hope these are two very highly recommended by only two friends who hear my poetry ever. So
Oh,
they
great.
that it's easier to understand. So I'm just gonna like kind of read it out to you guys. It's in Hindi, so I hope that works for everyone.
It works for everyone. Even if it was in some other language, it works for everyone because that is what an open mic is all about.
Okay, so the first one, it's called Monday Ki Wo Sham. Uh, I'll go. Okay. मंडे की वो शाम, उसके सामने बैठने से जो सुकून आया, उसे मैं बस वहीं रोक देना चाहती थी। चकर चकर सी वो आवाजें धीरे से बैकग्राउंड में चल रहे म्यूजिक की तरह अब सेटल हो रही थी। वो मोबाइल खोल के बस पढ़ा जा रहा था और मैं ये सोची जा रही थी कि सुनो, कर क्या रहे हो तुम? ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है। इतना आसान है क्या अपने ख्यालों को यूं बड़बड़ा के चले जाना? सोचा है कि इसका असर क्या होगा? जब उससे ध्यान हटा तो ये सवाल आया कि क्या अब मेरी बारी आएगी? क्या मुझे भी कुछ सुनाना होगा? क्या निचोड़ने होंगे मुझे वो लफ्ज जो आजकल ठंड की तरह छुपन छुपाई खेल रहे हैं? मानो कुछ सुना भी दिया मैंने अगर, तुम्हें समझ में आएंगी क्या? तुम समझ पाओगे क्या? तुम्हारे बगल में बैठी वो लड़की उस लड़की को समझ में आएंगी क्या? उसके बगल में बैठा वो लड़का उस लड़के को समझ में आएंगी क्या? तुम सब मुझे समझ पाओगे क्या? थकाओ मत यार, ये मंडे की शाम आसान रहनी थी। ये क्या तुमने मुझे सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया है? That was
Oh, amazing. Yay, guys, don't you think that she deserves a big round of applause? Yeah. So just unmute for a second and like give a huge round of applause for Komal because
Very
this
beautiful.
beautiful,
Very
honest
beautiful.
piece. And yeah, we are eagerly waiting for the second one.
okay, okay. So the second one, I actually wrote it this morning. So I don't know how it is, but I'll just read it out, and you guys are my
Yes,
first listeners. So tell me if it's decent enough.
of
Okay.
course.
It's called Intezar. Um, कभी तो तुम आओगे, चल के, दौड़ के या फिर गलती से, क्योंकि तुम्हें खुद से झूठ बोलने की जो ये आदत है, इसे कैसे छोड़ पाओगे? खैर, तुम्हारे आने के बहुत सपने देखे हैं मैंने। तुम क्या कहोगे, मैं क्या कहूंगी? तुम क्या घबराओगे, क्या मैं घबराऊंगी? मिलने बिछड़ने की तुमसे अब आदत हो गई है। मेरे ख्याल हकीकत से लगते हैं। इतने पन्ने भर चुकी हूँ तुमसे कि अब तुम्हारा मेरा रिश्ता काफी आगे बढ़ चुका है। हम आम कपल्स की तरह रोज उठते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं और लौट के आके बताते हैं अपने दिन के बारे में। तुम अक्सर अपने बॉस से झल्ला जाते हो और जब मैं समझाती हूँ कि ऐसा सबके साथ होता है, तो तुम्हें लगता है मैं तुम्हें समझती नहीं। तुम मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पूछते। टेबल से बर्तन उठाते मैं ये अक्सर सोचा करती हूँ कि क्या ये सच है? क्या हम दोनों एक दूसरे को समझते नहीं? क्या हमारे रिश्ते में कुछ कर जुड़ना भूल गए थे, या हमारा रिश्ता कार के पहिए की तरह घिस गया है? वो जो एहसास जिन्हें हम सच माने थे, क्या वो सिर्फ वहम है? चुटकी बजा के जब खुद को हकीकत में वापस लाती हूँ तो हंसी आती है। मेरे तो सपनों में भी हम बिछड़ते हैं, मेरे तो सपनों में भी हम खुश नहीं। तुम ही बताओ तो फिर क्या तुम्हारे आने का इंतजार किया जाए? तुम ही बताओ कि कब तक तुम्हें यूं अधूरा सा जिया जाए?
Whoa, amazing, right? Guys, wasn't that a very, very well crafted piece of poetry? Yeah, Komal, you really, really do a fine job. Yeah, I don't think as even as a first time performer, this was absolutely stunning, very beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing your pieces with us. We all realize that it is not easy to do that. But let me just tell you. And what would others like to say about this? Yeah, would you guys like to? Yeah.
I really liked her writing. It was very nice. It really touched me. That much only I can say.
That was great.
Thank you so much.
Great work. Honest expression.
See. So
बहुत
very
सुंदर, बहुत अच्छा। और मुझे याद आ गया है मेरा बचपन गुजरा था यूपी में, अभी मैं बंगाल में हूँ, तो आई जस्ट लव दिस लैंग्वेज हिंदी. सो वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू फॉर द पोएम.
I'm from Lucknow. My roots are from Lucknow, so I have very deep-rooted Hindi in me.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Very
so much.
honest piece.
Thank you.
See, so this was great. Huge round of applause for Komal. She was our first performer. She was the first. This is her first poetry open mic. And Komal, I'm going to see more of you on TGS, on Grace, on these Zoom calls. And for all of you, this is getting streamed live on Facebook also through the TGS Grace page on Facebook. So you can share it with all your friends now that you were the performers and you have performed your piece. So this is a great time to share all of your pieces. And don't forget to follow TGS and Grace. We have many more upcoming open mics coming up. We have more courses for everyone. With this, my second performer for today is Spandan Ganguly. Yay! So Spandan, please do tell us something about yourself before you start. And
Hello everyone, good evening, and I'm really very excited to take part over here and recite few poems. Though I'm very new in writing poems. It's last 1 year I'm just started writing few poems, and that too in Bengali and English. Basically, I'm a school teacher in a reputed ICSC school, and I take computer science. English is not my subject, but anyhow, I love reading poems, and I here want to share two poems. One is in Bengali, and another one is in English. Okay.
amazing.
Yes. So now Bengali poem I want to say before that is it is basically a little sad poem. It is about those poor girls, those who were lost their place, family, happiness, and sold out throughout the country or outside, whether willingly or unwilling. About that the poem is. So the poem, it's Megher Pare Tar Thikana. Should I start now?
Yes, please.
সে ছিল এক মেয়ে, বড় আদরের ছিল সবার। অভাবের সংসারে ছিল আরো ভাই বোন, তাই পায়নি সময় কুড়িয়ে নেওয়ার তার ভাগের আদর। সারাদিন যেত তার কাজ, শুধু কাজ, লেখাপড়া হলো না আর, যেমন হয় সবার। বাবা থাকে দূর দেশে, মা ব্যস্ত মাঠে, এই ছোট্ট বয়সে তাই ভাই বোনদের দায়িত্ব তারই কাঁধে। অভাবের সংসারে আজ হয় রুটি তো কাল খালি পেট, তার মন শুধু সাধে সে কেন হতে পারে না মেঘ। আছে আশা মনে, কবে আসে বাবা, তার কাছে সব কথা হয়নি যে কখনো বলা। ভাবে শুধু সে আকাশ পানে চেয়ে, উড়ে যাবে দূর দেশে, যেথা আছে বাবা, আনবে ফিরিয়ে তাকে, দুঃখ মায়ের করবে সেদিন সব শেষ। একদিন এলো এক ভিন দেশি যাযাবর, মায়ের সাথে তার কথা কি হলো অলক্ষ্যে সবার। বুঝলো সেইটুকু হবে তাকে যেতে, বাবা ডেকেছে তাকে, ফিরবে খুশির হাওয়া তাদের ছোট্ট সংসারে। আজ সে সত্যি হয়েছে মেঘ, ভেসে বেড়ায় হেথায় সেথায়, কিন্তু হায় মেঘকে যে কেউ না চায়। আজ নেই তার স্বাধীনতা, নেই তার মন, অপরের জন্যই যেন তার এই যৌবন। সে ছিল এক মেয়ে, রাখে না খবর আর কেউ তার, এখন শুধু বৃষ্টি ঝরে দুই নয়ন দিয়ে তার। কোথায় আছে তার বাবা, কেমন আছে তার ছোট্ট ভাই বোন, মায়ের দুঃখ কি মিটেছে এখন?
Amazing.
Thank you. Actually, whenever I read this poem, I feel crying from inside. It's give so much deep. Okay.
So it does happen that you do write poetry. All of us are writing something to express ourselves. But poetry is also a very powerful medium where you can talk about the issues that our country is facing, or our
Yes,
citizens are
yes.
facing, or we all are facing our inner turmoils, and what we really care about. Things that we cannot speak, we often write, and that is where beautiful poetry is born. And I think thank you so much for sharing this piece with us, and that too in a language which is absolutely beautiful. Um, so we are eagerly waiting for your next poem.
The second poem, it is on LGBT background. Hope you
All
will
right.
not mind it.
No, no, absolutely not.
The title of my poem is I Breathe for You. I screamed, goal! And everybody stood like a fool. You all jumped over me, and I go flat on the ground. No one noticed your smile while passing the ball to me. No one noticed your fingers touching my cheek. I smiled back and said thanks. When you said, I'm proud of you, I blinked my eyes and softly whisper, I love you. You didn't hear that? You didn't notice my eyes? You carried away with the game for the loss and the win, but my heart beats for you at every step in the field. You get on my nerves when it's times to say goodbye. I go simply crazy on your smile and your jubilant vibe. I know that I am gay, but to you, how could I say? It will be painful if you leave me alone. It will be painful to see you gone away. Hope the day will come, you will understand me. Till then, let me be the best friend only.
Oh, this is so nice. Huge round of applause, guys. We should make the session more livelier, don't you think? Yeah, because we are now flooded with such beautiful poetry. And thank you, Smandanji, for
Thank you.
sharing such nice pieces with us. And somewhere it will always stick, into our minds about the issues that you have highlighted through your poetry. And thank you so much for sharing that with us. Yeah. With this, we move on to our next performer. Our next performer is Pranab Ghosh. Pranab ji, are you there? I can see you. Pranab ji, are you there?
I think
I
he's
can.
muted. I think he's muted.
Yeah.
Muted.
Let me just. Okay. So, Pranab ji, if you can hear me, and if you're there online, I can see you online.
I've
Yes, I
lost
can hear you now.
connection, I believe. The audio is gone.
Now we can hear you. Everyone can hear him, right? Yeah, we can hear you. We can see you. We can hear you. Pranav ji, you are now visible and audible to us. Okay, I think Pranav ji, while you fix up your network, we'll move on to our next performer, who is Achala Jha. Achala ji, you're with us, right?
Good evening, everyone. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. तो मैं हिंदी में पोयम बोलूंगी.
जी. But please tell us something about yourself first.
मेरा नाम अचला है. मैं कोलकाता में ही रहती हूँ. हाउसवाइफ हूँ.
Alright.
ओके. और ये इस तरह का मीटिंग्स में आने का ये मेरा भी पहला अवसर है कोमल की तरह.
Arey wow. So everybody, a huge round of applause for her. You're a first time performer. We are so excited
Yeah.
that you're with us.
शौकिया लिखती हूँ
जी.
यूं ही नहीं मुंतजिर किसी मंजिल के हम अनजानी राहों पे चल निकले हैं नहीं मुंतजिर किसी मंजिल के हम अनजानी राहों पे चल निकले हैं हम तो यायावर हैं हमने हर खतरे को झेला है झंझावतों ने न रोका हमको जब हाथ हमने बढ़ा दिया झंझावतों ने न रोका हमको जब हाथ हमने बढ़ा दिया मुस्काने बांटी कुछ दीपों की माला भी जला दिया है अंबर पूरा घर अपना है अंबर पूरा घर अपना मकान नहीं एक रैन बसेरा रे एहसासों को रख परे यहाँ अंगारों का रेला रे जिस
Wow.
तूफान से गुजरे हम उसे चीर दुशाला बना दिया जिस तूफान से गुजरे हम उसे चीर दुशाला बना दिया यायावर हैं कुछ राह मिली कुछ अनचाही भी अपना लिया कुछ अनचाही भी अपना लिया
Wow, wonderful.
Oh, beautiful.
This deserves
এই
a
জানলাটা একটু খুলে দাও না।
very huge round of applause because बहुत सुंदर बोला आपने, बहुत सुंदर लिखा है and we would love to hear more from you.
मैं एक छोटी सी और सुनाना चाहती हूँ धुंधली यादें चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा टुकड़े धुंधली शामों के मुट्ठी में बंद सितारा चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा बचपन में लिपटे झिलमिल कण धूमिल पड़ा नजारा चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा तेरे आंखों में थे आंसू मेरी भी तो नम थी तेरे आंखों में है आंसू मेरी भी तो नम थी गीली चुन्नी के वे टुकड़े हम राज थी हमारा चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा बदली राहें छूटी आहें कस्मों का वो निवाला अश्रुधार से धुला हुआ मन बन गया शिवाला चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा चल बैठ कहीं खोले पिटारा
Wow, absolutely beautiful poetry, Achla ji. We are so happy. What do you guys think? I think it was absolutely spectacular.
Yeah.
Very
बहुत
beautiful
बहुत अच्छा
language.
बहुत अच्छा हाँ
So I don't
और
understand Hindi that much, but still, the
और
little that
मुझे
I understand is very good.
मुझे मैथिली शरण गुप्त जी का याद आ गया उनकी कविताओं के जैसे बहुत खूब मैडम आपने बहुत अच्छा कविता
थैंक यू
Great. So this was beautiful, Achla ji. With this, I would like to go back to Pranav ji. Are you ready? Can you hear us? Can you hear us? And because we can see you. I think so not. All right. With this, we have a next performer who is Varun. Varun, are you with us? I think he's, but there's some network issue. Never mind. Papia ji, aap hai online, right? Yeah, would you like to go next?
Yes, sure.
Absolutely. So
So
please
nice.
tell us something.
Yes, so nice to see you, Sonal. Remember, Sonali, last time I met you, and remember, my husband couldn't take the video, and you did it for us. Thank
Oh
you.
yes. Oh yes, absolutely. I do remember you. So for everyone who is there with us, we used to host when there was no COVID. We used to host these poetry open mics live on stage at Kolkata Center for Creativity, which is there in Calcutta for all those who are not from Calcutta. And Papia ji has been there for practically all the open mics, and she has recited some very beautiful pieces. I've had the good fortune to meet her.
Oh, you are also
And
a great poet.
thank you so much.
I remember
you.
your Urdu poetry.
Oh yes, oh great. such a small world because now we can't meet, so we are meeting here on Zoom. And that is what KCC, Kolkata Center for Creativity, TGS Grace has done. Because you can't go to the center now, but you can actually, things are getting a little better. But we are hosting these webinars for everybody's safety so that we keep up with the spirit. Papia ji, please tell us something about yourself for all our viewers who are here.
Yeah.
And then please do recite your poetry.
Okay. So I am Papia Ghosh, and I have been a high school teacher for 20 years, and then I quit my job to pursue creative writing. Now I'm with Word Manchas, and there we are doing creative writing. I'm a faculty there where I'm doing creative writing. So why I quit my job, because I started thinking that my creativity was just getting lost. There was just no time for myself at all. So over here today, I'm going to read 2 poems to you. I'm a very optimistic person, so in all my poems you're going to find optimism. That is very
That's
important.
great.
So my first poem is dedicated to my very close friends who always say, write something about us. Okay. And they say that, it should be a celebration of friendship. So my first poem is an ode to our friendship. That is our first poem. Our friendship is like the fresh morning showers, leaving scattered pearls amidst the flowers. You will find echoes of our laughter in the breeze, elicited by friendly banter and cheesy tease. Our friendship has beaten distance and years, a treasure trove of million joys and tears.
Beautiful.
Robbing fears and doubts away, it made permanent homes in our hearts to stay. They say colleagues don't make good friends, but we are here to make amends. Friends can be your real family, where your thoughts meld rather uncannily. Extending and helping hand in need, makes many a jealous heart bleed. They surreptitiously wait to see us fight, while we secretly guffaw at their plight. Every passing year adds a pearl to the flowers of our friendship yet to unfurl. We are beads of love, sparkling with life, where there is no conflict nor any strife.
Oh, wonderful. Use our applause.
Thank you so much. This is actually to some of my friends. We have a group called Just Crazy, where just 3 of us are there, and nobody is allowed in that group.
Oh,
And
great.
every day we wish each other good morning, and if anybody doesn't wish, immediately message will come. Why are you not wishing? Are you not well? And we are the closest of friends. And I have another
How
friend
sweet.
also. With her also, I'm very very close. So this poem is basically for those 3 friends of mine who are the closest to my
sweet.
heart.
How sweet.
My next poem, the name of my poem is Wabi Swabi. Wabi Swabi is a Japanese word. The meaning of the word wabi means imperfection, and the word sabi means beauty that stems from age. I think all of you know that in Kolkata there's a very famous restaurant called Wabi Swabi.
Yes.
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 So,
yes,
but we
there
don't
is.
realize that the meaning of that word is so deep.
Yeah.
So this whole poem is about our lives are imperfect, but all our lives we are running after perfection, and because
Right.
of that pursuit for perfection, we neglect the present moment, and we
Right.
always find defects in it. Wabi
Right.
Swabi. So that's the name of my poem. She sat by her weather-beaten window, watching life scurry by. Was it perfect? Was it peaceful? She asked the sun blazing high. The fragments of childhood entangled in cobwebs
যেতে পারছি
were
না, তুমি
strewn
দেখো।
on evergreen grounds. She stooped to pick in pick the broken pieces,
তুমি
entangled
কোথায়?
in cuts, bruises, and in gurgling sounds. The friends who left her one by one to join the grind of life, her imperfect friends adorning the imperfect dust, graced her imperfect life. She searched for perfection in the nook and corner of her new home with her husband, in laws, and child. The days melted into nights, but perfection was nowhere in sight. As the
Very
years
nice.
rushing by painted imperfection on her beautiful hair and face, she learned to love her imperfect life with its cracks and crevices at every pace. Her understated elegance, maturing with age, abandoned her imperfect quest for perfection. She snugly hugged her imperfect schisms with an ocean of affection.
Oh, wonderful. This was so nice. Yeah, everybody, what did you think of these wonderful pieces by Papia ji? I think they were absolutely beautifully crafted, very well written, and equally well recited. Yeah, guys, can we make some noise? You know?
Thank you so much.
Very
Great.
nice.
Thank you so much for sharing your pieces with us. And with this, I think you must be wondering who is this host, and she's not going to recite any poetry.
Yeah, you must.
And yes, so I have this small poetry which is called Nostalgia. So nostalgia is a very old word which actually means that it's a wishful yearning for the past. You know, it's a pain, it's a longing to go back to where you started. At many points of time in our lives, we do feel nostalgic. We feel we want to go back. Are 80s or 90s? They were wonderful, peaceful times. Um, so here are my thoughts on what nostalgia is, and it goes like this. Days grow into nights, just the same every year. The leaves fall off from the branches, just the same every year. The flowers bloom and the wind sways, just the same every year. But why does my vagabond heart turn to skies that once had a different shine? The leaves hadn't fallen just yet. The flowers smelled so different, so fresh. The wind was still brushing across my face. They, they take me back to a different time, to a very different place. Why does my wandering heart turn to old books and a younger face? Father wasn't so old yet. Mother had just begun to sing a lullaby, and my brother wasn't so tall just yet. And yet, my dawdling heart turns to old pictures I scatter on the floor. My best friend wasn't getting married yet. She hadn't finished telling me about her first kiss, and I wasn't over with packing for college just yet. So as days turn into nights, just the same every year, the carousel keeps churning my memories year after year after year. Thank you.
Oh my God, it's
Very
so
nice.
beautiful. It's
So
so
this
beautiful.
this is just my two thoughts, my 2 cents on what nostalgia is. I wanted to share that with you guys. And now we move on to our next performer, who is
চলছে
Devendra ji.
না
You're there with us,
শুনতে তুমি দাও
right?
অসুবিধে নেই।
Yeah, I'm there. Am I audible?
ওতে
Yes,
অসুবিধে নেই
you're audible,
করুক
you're
তাতে
visible.
অসুবিধে নেই।
Please tell us something about yourself, and
Uh,
then please recite your pieces for us.
sure. I'm Davinder Singh, born and brought up in Delhi, still in Delhi. Chartered accountant and insolvency professional by profession. I've been writing for last 10 years, but never shared with anyone. Nor have ever taken part into this kind of thing. But this lockdown period has allowed me to compile all those, and my poetry book is about to be published in a week's time.
Oh, wow, wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I go about first one. Uh, थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ कि जब भी इसे पढ़ता हूँ मैं खुद ही खुश हो जाता हूँ। उर्दू के लफ्जों का कमाल है या शायद किसी की खुशबू। Here I go. जोड़ता हूँ, लिखता हूँ लफ्जों को, मेरी दास्तान बन जाती है. सोचता हूँ तुझे, पाता हूँ ख्यालों में, मेरी शाम बन जाती है. समेटता हूँ, बिखेरता हूँ तेरे किस्सों को, बेजान मेरी रूह में जान बन जाती है. अनजान सी शख्सियत, ना कोई वजूद मेरा, बस तेरे नाम संग मेरी पहचान बन जाती है. मंदिर में हो, मस्जिद में भी हो, मंदिर में हो, मस्जिद में भी हो, जो पढ़ लूं तेरा कलमा, मेरी कुरान बन जाती है.
ओह,
बहुत सुंदर,
बहुत सुंदर.
बहुत सुंदर.
This was the first one. Now I read the second one, which is also there in the book that is about to be published. Little something about this, that everyone would have taken tea or coffee with your special one in a cafe. So when I look back into my life, these were the words which came into my mind. Here I go. उसने कुछ कहा भी नहीं, मैंने कुछ सुना भी नहीं, बात फिर भी पूरी हुई. शायद कुछ जादू होगा उस कॉफी में, जो आज भी नशा उसका मेरी रग में. ठगा गया मैं यूं उस कॉफी के मग में. कभी कहा ना मैंने ना उसने, पर शायद था वो प्यार ही. कश्मकश भरी रही जिंदगी इस जवाब के लगभग में. ठगा गया मैं यूं उस कॉफी के मग में. नाम जो लिखे थे पेड़ों पे रह गए, बस इल्जाम ही थे जो दिल में रह गए. कहाँ का सोचते थे और कहाँ को बह गए. खुद से ही किया प्यार मैंने, खुद के गले लग के. ठगा गया मैं यूं उस कॉफी के मग में.
Wow.
धोखा ऐसा भी खाया मैंने इस जग में. ठगा गया मैं यूं उस कॉफी के मग में. थैंक यू.
I can see why your book is getting published, sir, because very beautifully crafted compositions are there, and you must share your book and your, if you have an e-copy with TGS, with Grace, with JCC, with all of us here. We would be absolutely so happy to to read your compositions more. And thank you so much. And
Thank you.
sir, we hope to see more of you on these live sessions now. And
Sure.
I hope we all get together once again for these
Yeah,
beautiful
sure.
sessions.
This is
And
a superb opportunity for me. Thank you.
thank you so much, sir. So with this, we move on to our next performer, who's Naina. Naina's with us. Naina, I think you're on mute.
Yeah, is it fine now?
It's perfect.
Hi,
Hi, Naina. How are you?
I'm good. How's everyone?
Everybody, please. Yeah. Everyone's good.
Hi.
Everyone's safe.
Hi.
Yeah, it's so good to see people actually in the times of lockdown. Eyes for eyes, when you are not seeing people like physically, virtually, it's really something. So I'm a motivational speaker and a writer. I write for newspapers and I write a lot of columns in different books. And
Oh wow.
yeah, and but poetry is my passion. It's the most honest form of writing, the simplest, and it brings out the genuine in you.
Yeah.
So I
Right.
would to recite two poetries. One of the first is कॉफी के शहर में. कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया. कॉफी के शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया. बिन शक्कर वाली डाइड घूंटों के पास गुड़ का डब्बा लेकर आ गया. बिन शक्कर वाली डाइड घूंटों के पास गुड़ का डब्बा लेकर आ गया. उस रूफटॉप की हरी कारपेट पर मैं हरी घास बिछा गया. उस रॉकिंग वाली मॉडर्न चेयर के पास एक झूला लेकर आ गया. कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया. बिन आहट के पीना तहजीब है जहां. मैं गर्म चुस्कियां लेकर आ गया. वो गुड़ वाली आह वाली गर्म चुस्कियां लेकर आ गया. कॉफी के इस शहर में में चाय लेकर आ गया। गाड़ियों का शोर था, एक नगमा याद आ गया। गाड़ियों के शोर में एक नगमा याद आ गया। हौले से आंखें बंद करके एक गाना गुनगुना गया। कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया। डोनट कॉफी का साथी था, पर मेरे लिए मेरा बिस्कुट ही काफी था। उस 100 रुपए के डोनट के पास मैं 2 रुपए का बिस्कुट लेकर आ गया। कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया। घर में चप्पलें पहनकर घुस रहे थे वो। घर में चप्पलें पहनकर घुस रहे थे वो, मगर बाथरूम में स्लिपर्स बदलने। घर को ही मंदिर समझकर मैं नंगे पांव चला गया। कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया। इस धुआं धुआं कमरे में सिगरेट वाले, हुक्का वाले, इस धुआं धुआं से कमरे में मैं धूप छांव सा आ गया। नएपन की मरहम लगाई परतों पर एक पुराने घाव सा आ गया। कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया। इत्र से कमरा महक रहा था, मैं अदरक की खुशबू लेकर आ गया। इत्र से कमरा महक रहा था, मैं अदरक की खुशबू लेकर आ गया। मेरे उनके गालों के रूस से सुंदर मेरे चाय का केसर लग रहा था। उनके गालों के रूस से सुंदर मेरे चाय का केसर लग रहा था। रात की इस नगरी में मैं दोपहर लेकर आ गया। रात की इस नगरी में मैं दोपहर लेकर आ गया। उस झूठ मूठ की सर्दी में, मेट्रो सिटी वाली, ओवर पोल्यूटेड वाली, उस झूठ मूठ की सर्दी में एक गरम कोट सा आ गया। कॉफी के इस शहर में मैं चाय लेकर आ गया। थैंक यू।
Oh my God.
This is
That
amazing.
was so
बहुत सुंदर,
absolutely amazing. What did you guys think?
Really amazing.
बहुत सुंदर।
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
I think your poetry suggests that you're a motivational speaker.
Yeah.
So positive.
I was about to say the
so
same. I feel like it reflects your experience, your maturity, your all columns. It was just like
very beautiful. Very
Thank you
beautiful.
so much. On that note, I would like to recite one more small poem, like
Please,
this.
please. Absolutely.
किसने कहा? किसने कहा कि कविता सिर्फ ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए? गमगीन होनी चाहिए, संगीन होनी चाहिए, दर्द भरी, दुख भरी, पलके भिगोनी चाहिए। किसने कहा कि कविता ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए? कविता तो है संग्रह विचारों का, चांद का, सितारों का, कश्तियों से मिलते किनारों का। रंगीन होनी चाहिए, हसीन होनी चाहिए, पर किसने कहा कि कविता ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए? खुशियों में डूबे अक्स से मलिन होनी चाहिए, पर किसने कहा कि कविता ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए? क्यों मान लेते हैं उसे ही अच्छी कविता? क्यों मान लेते हैं उसे ही अच्छी कविता जो समझ में ना आए किसी इंसान आम को? जो समझ में ना आए किसी इंसान आम को, जो हासिल ना कर पाए किसी सोच के मुकाम को। शब्दों के भारी ढेर में दब करके खोनी चाहिए, मगर किसने कहा कि कविता ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए? किसने कहा कि कविता ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए?
Amazing.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
It was so nice, Nana. Thank you so much for sharing this absolutely two stunning pieces. I think हम लोग सब बहुत engrossed हो गए and we were, completely hooked on to when you were writing. And I think you should do more of this because, yeah, there's a real talent right there. So huge round of applause for Nana. Thank you.
Much. Thank you so much, guys.